I'm at the Hotel Maritim Antonine in Mellieha. Let's check it out. Let's check out the room. Here's my door. Guess where I am? I'm at the Maritim Antonine Hotel in Mellieha, in Malta. So I have a short break. I'm going to stay one night here, and I'll show you this hotel room. It looks great, by the way. Open with the key, and I can go in. That's my room. Okay, let's go in. Right, so let's check out the bathroom. Okay, so we have a sink, some soap, shower cap, 2 shower caps, okay, some body moisturizer here, okay, some tissues, so it's nice to have tissues, and we've got hair dryer, your classic toilet. Okay, we have the bath. And of course, I have to show you the low. I have to point low towards the bath. There's no noodle head, all right, Harold Boulder. There's no noodle head if you come here. No worries. Anyway, and you have quite a few towels. Okay, so what can I show you? Well, we've got a kettle. You can make some coffee here with the kettle, or tea. You have 2 bottles of water. I don't need to buy water for tonight. We've got also a minibar menu, and they've got a hotel also. Oh, they've got a restaurant in the hotel. A nice painting. We've got a television advertising spa, restore, ritual. Anyway, you get €20 gift card for your next visit. Buffet breakfast is open daily, and I've got breakfast included tomorrow, so I'll try to show you something from the breakfast. It should be nice. Okay, so we've got this free nougat, Malta nougat. If you like sweets, and well, basically it's a good sweet, you know, from Malta, traditional nougat. Here we have a telephone, a pad, you know, the usual freebies, but it's always nice to have them. And it's a very nice double bed. There's a 10% discount applicable if you eat at the pizzeria restaurant Al Ponte, situated on level 2. By the way, when you enter the building is on level 3. So the entrance to reception is level 3. When you go in, you find yourself on level 3. Let me see if I can open this door. Can I open it somehow? Let me just show you the view, but I cannot seem to open this door. Seems that it's quite locked. So I'll just show you the view from here. There are a couple of chairs. It would be nice to be able to sit down there. Anyway, so what do I think about the room? I think it's a nice room. Very good. Nothing's wrong with the room. There's nothing wrong with anything. Yes, I like it. You know, it's good. There's a television, by the way. So there's the television. Not sure what channels you'll get, but of course some local channels probably, and some foreign channels. You can watch news probably. Let's see if I can set the current date and time first. Okay, so I entered the time and date, and now we've got basically the channels. You've got Maltese channels: TVM, TVM2, 1, Net, Shake, Smash, Euronews, Al Jazeera, BBC World News, France 24 English, other channels TRT World, CGTN, Deutsche Welle English HD, Mediaset HD, Top Crime NBC2, Max Dubai 1 somma. MTV, you like MTV. DG2Com 24, Rai News 24, Rai, the Italian channels, as usual, you have the Italian channels, you have Austria, okay, RTL and Vox, D-Max, quite a few from Austria, so if you're from Austria you will enjoy access to your channels if you like. TV5, France 24, in French also, TV International, BBC Arabic, Dubai TV, NBC Drama and Action, other stations, there's Rai, radio, the others are radios now. Okay, so just see if they load. Let's see if some of them load. What happens? Because sometimes you see channels and you don't get access to them. Okay.
Good, and good.
News they load. Italian channels. Everything. By the way, if you want to charge your phone or any other device, you have standard British style actually 3-pin. You can charge with a 3-pin system, and there's also something which can work with 2 pins. I think, but I'm using 3-pin here. I popped over to 120. This is a bar in front of the hotel, and I understand that it's owned by the hotel. They gave me free peanuts with my beer. Okay, so when you next see me, I'll be showing you the breakfast. Please leave a comment if you like this video. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new, press like, and share this video with your friends. Bye from Travel Malta.